Brainy Popo.
In a small town, surrounded by dusty fields and endless open horizons, there lived a curious boy named Aarav. While other children laughed and played in the streets, Aarav chose something different. Every evening, he would lie quietly on the ground and stare up at the vast sky. The stars fascinated him, not just for their beauty, but for their mystery. Arav often wondered, how far away are the stars? Why do they stay in place? And why does the moon seem to follow me wherever I go? These questions filled his mind endlessly, and even when he didn't understand the answers, he never stopped asking. One day, Arav discovered something unusual, an old, slightly broken magnifying glass in his attic. To others, it was useless, but to Arav, it was full of possibility. He began experimenting, focusing sunlight onto paper, watching how light bent and concentrated. And then he realized something amazing. Light travels in straight lines, but it can change direction when it passes through different materials. This idea completely amazed him. From that moment on, Arav made a decision. He would understand light and space. Using scraps and discarded materials, he started building small models. His first creation, a simple pinhole viewer made from a cardboard box. When he looked through it, something surprising happened. The image appeared upside down. This sparked a new question. How do our eyes and lenses create what we see? Weeks passed, and Arav kept improving. He collected broken glass pieces, polished them carefully, and tested different arrangements. Again and again, trial and error, until one day he built something incredible, a basic telescope. The first night he used it, everything changed. The moon was no longer just a glowing circle, it had texture, shadows, and deep craters. Arav realized this was light, reflecting off its surface. The moon didn't shine on its own, it reflected sunlight. And now he could see it with his own eyes. Encouraged, Arav continued exploring. He noticed the stars twinkling. Later, he learned why. Earth's atmosphere bends the light, making the stars appear to flicker. Each discovery made him stronger, more confident. At school, things weren't always easy. Arav struggled to memorize facts, and sometimes he felt left behind. But this time, he didn't see failure, he saw learning, just like adjusting a lens to get a clearer image. Instead of giving up, he changed his approach. He focused on understanding, not memorizing. He experimented, observed, connected ideas. Science was no longer just words in a book, it became something he could feel and experience. Years passed, and Arav grew. His small telescope became larger, more precise. His questions became discoveries. One evening, standing alone on a hill with a telescope he built himself, Arav looked up once again. The sky had not changed, but he had. And in that moment, he understood something important. The sky was never out of reach. It only felt that way because he hadn't yet learned how to measure it. So Arav continued his journey, not just to explore the universe, but to remind himself that curiosity, patience, and persistence can turn even the biggest mysteries into something understandable. The boy who once wondered about the stars had discovered a powerful truth. The more you try to understand the world, the closer it comes to you. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories that make learning fun.